There is no known evidence to suggest that red meat by itself causes cancer. The cancer process is, in all diseases, you either inherit a risk to get a disease, but particularly in cancer, or it is something in the external environment. And we know that about 20% of people who develop bowel cancer have a first-degree relative who has had that, and that puts them at a higher risk. In the process of formation of cancer, you have an initiating process. That is either an inherited gene which causes mutation in your colon cells, or something you've acquired from outside. And we know that certain herbicides and pesticides tend to cause this cellular mutation. The thing about colorectal cancer is it is a slow process. You go from acquiring your mutation through a period, and then there are what we call initiating agents which encourage that abnormal cell to grow first into a polyp, which is benign and remains benign for quite a number of years, and then finally into a cancer. The whole process taking around 10 years from normal through polyp to cancer. I think the reports have been based on conflicting evidence. A lot of it are epidemiological studies which are not thorough in any way whatsoever. The big EPIC study in Europe looked at totally different populations, wide range of age groups, because we do know that actually also in the Western world, which confounded even more, is that people live longer. In this country, your average life expectancy is now in excess of 90. 50 years ago, people didn't live old enough to get colorectal cancer. Now they are. So epidemiology has to be interpreted very warily because there are a lot of factors in there. We don't know all the other foods that we eat, how they have been raised, what additives have been put in, and actually what agricultural methods have been used. If you look at vegetarians, there were studies in the past that suggested vegans had a lower risk of colorectal cancer, but a more recent study in this country has shown no difference in the incidence between vegetarians and meat eaters.